Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a juicy debate, juicing versus eating whole fruits. Which one gives you the most benefits and which fits your lifestyle best? Stick around as we break down the pros and cons side by side to help you decide. Before I continue, please click that subscribe button below. It really helps the channel grow and you won't miss any videos. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest differences, say, fiber content. When you juice, most of the fiber gets left behind in the pulp. That makes juice easier to digest but less filling. Juicing is low in fiber, which is easier on digestion, but you lose some of that gut-healthy roughage. Whole fruit is packed with fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you full longer. Fiber also plays a big role in blood sugar control. Without it, juice is absorbed quickly, which can cause blood sugar spikes. Juicing has a rapid absorption rate. It can give you a quick energy boost, but might lead to sugar crashes. Whole fruit has a slower absorption rate, meaning it's better for blood sugar regulation and steadier energy. Now let's talk convenience, because time is precious, right? Juicing is quick to drink. Preparing juice takes time. Washing, cutting, juicing and cleaning the equipment afterward. Whole fruits are grab and go, making them the easier choice for busy days. One advantage of juicing is variety. You can mix several fruits and veggies into one glass. With juicing, it's easier to pack multiple ingredients into a single serving. Let's not forget about cost. Juicing often requires a lot of produce to make just one glass. With juicing, you'll go through more fruits and vegetables, which can be pricey, especially for organic produce. Whole fruits are generally more affordable and last longer. Juicing can also create more waste. All that leftover pulp usually gets discarded. Whole fruit has minimal waste, especially if you compost fruit scraps. Juice tends to be more calorie-dense, but also more hydrating. Whole fruit is lower in calories, but less hydrating compared to juice. Some people find it easier to drink juice, especially if they don't enjoy the texture of certain fruits, but let's not forget the benefits of chewing. Juicing can improve the taste of some ingredients, like adding apple to green juice. Chewing whole fruit activates digestion and makes you feel fuller. So, what's the verdict? It really depends on your goals and lifestyle. Juice is great for hydration and quick nutrient absorption, which is perfect after a workout. Whole fruit is better for satiety, fiber intake, and longer-lasting energy. Both juicing and eating whole fruits have their benefits. Why not include both in your routine? Juice can give you an instant nutrient boost, while whole fruits keep you feeling full and satisfied. What do you prefer, juice or whole fruit? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Stay well